Hey guys, so I am about to make some vegan pancakes with some hash. January 1st, 2018, according to the calendar. And I put a post on Facebook saying that my short-term goal was to be a vegetarian, my long-term goal was to be a vegan. Well, after re-watching What the Health yesterday with my daughters, I think I want to take veganism a little bit more seriously. So last night I made a run to Publix. It was like 8:45 and they closed at 9 o'clock. I had started a list yesterday, but I didn't finish it. So I just knew I was hungry and I didn't want to spend no money on food. So, like eating out food. So, yeah, I grabbed a couple things. Some fruit. Let's see. We have some celery, some mushrooms, peppers. I got some dairy-free yogurt, dairy-free cheese, dairy-free butter. So I can still have those components because everybody knows those are the best parts. So, yeah, let's see what we come up with. I'm following a recipe that I found on Pinterest, and I love Pinterest. So I'm feeling pretty positive about it. I'm very excited and I'm starved. So here we go. So overall, my breakfast was awesome. I would definitely make it again. Everything turned out great. And I think this is going to be the start of something awesome. One thing that I'm definitely learning, if you're planning on going vegetarian or vegan, excuse me, you definitely have to cut back with how much you eat out, because when you eat out, then it kind of limits your options for eating the things that are dairy-free and meat-free, because most places don't have those options. So I think it will help you save money, as well as make you think outside the box a little bit more in terms of recipes, because you don't want to eat the same thing and it'll make you cook more, which is in itself a great thing. So hopefully this video has been helpful, and I can't wait to put out some more. So until next time, guys, you already know, smiling up.